Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending where you are joining us from. I welcome you to this channel, and also to introduce to you that we'll be taking this journey together, where I'll present material in solar power engineering to enhance the knowledge transfer across people, and also to take you through the techniques and also practical aspects that has got to do with the solar power engineering. Every week, I will be uploading a video in the same line. So if you are interested in the topic of solar power engineering, you are urged to like and subscribe to this channel so that you learn more. I am Dr. Engineer Enoch Mulenga, who will be taking you this training, and I hope you enjoy this training online. Thank you very much.